Hi, Nikki here. Today I'm going to try and make some ice globes. So all you need are balloons, water, and food coloring. If you don't have any balloons on hand, why don't you try a freezable container? So let's get started. Okay, so all you have to do is open up your balloon, drop your food coloring down into the balloon, and mush it up. Put it over your tap, and add water. So you might notice that there is air in the balloon. If you want to let that out, you just have to be careful. Just release the pressure, and most of it should come out. And tie your balloon. So shake your balloon, make sure you got food coloring dispersed. And that is ready to go in the freezer. I'm going to continue on, fill up a couple more balloons, different colors. Okay, so I have my balloons filled, different colors. Now I'm just going to put some water in the bowl and see how that freezes also for those of you that don't have balloons. Oh, that's pretty. Drop a blue and drop a red in with it. Stir it up, and I've got a purple blue tinge. Okay, so this is ready to go in the freezer. That's where it's going. I'm going to leave it overnight and check it in the morning. If you don't have room in your freezer, do this on a really cold day, put it outside, and let it freeze overnight. See you in the morning. Putting the snow globes in the freezer didn't work out too well. One of them broke. It was a little bit messy. And I guess they're so thick they didn't freeze solid overnight. So if you're putting them in the freezer, you're probably going to want to put them in a bag and keep them in more than overnight. So I've redone my balloons again today, and I'm going to leave them outside all day and overnight, and hopefully they'll freeze, and we'll see what they're like in the morning. Hi, it's time to check the ice globes. It looks like they froze better outside than in my deep freeze. At least none of the balloons broke. Oh. Okay, I guess it wasn't froze solid. I'm going to leave them out another night and give it a try again tomorrow. And the red one. The one I did in the bowl, oh, came out easy. I do like the color of that. It was a little bit more difficult. I learned a few things. One, don't put them in the freezer because one of the balloons broke and I had a mess. Leaving them outside, you need a couple of really cold days because they are so thick to get a good solid globe. Also, I would use more food coloring like I did with the blue and the red, but the yellow and the greens are not as deep as I would have liked. That being said, I would encourage everyone to give it a try. Get out, you can make a nice design in your yard, make smaller globes, put them in decorative vase, lay them on your front step. There's lots of possibilities. So give it a try, and of course, have a great day.